when you wanna keep solutions stable. pH constant, balance stable. You need buffers, weak acids, bases. Control pH in specific places. Weak acids paired with conjugate base, or bases with conjugate acid in place. They absorb hydrogen O2, keeping pH constant, stable and true. Weak acid dissociates partly, leaving conjugates acting smartly. They neutralize small pH swings. Buffers do amazing things. Buffers and titrations, controlling concentration. pH balance, steady states, equilibrium regulates. Buffers and titrations, chemical stabilization. Measure volumes, watch the scale. Neutralize, never fail. Now let's talk titration, endpoint precision, adding known solutions. That's your mission. Buried drops controlled, keep it slow. Watch indicators for color show. Equivalence, point moles equalize. Acid-base pairs neutralize. Phenolphthalein, litmus, methyl orange. Color shift clearly showing the chain. Near the equivalence, buffering fades. Rapid pH shift displayed. Careful measurement, step by step. Accuracy's key, never forget. Buffers and titrations, controlling concentration. pH balance, steady states, equilibrium regulates. Buffers and titrations, chemical stabilization. Measure volumes, watch the scale. Neutralize, never fail. Understand buffering, titration clear. Keeping pH steady, have no fear. Chemical reactions precise and neat. Master the methods, can't be beat.